The Hikity Car Stereo 2.5K dashcam offers a seamless integration with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, enhancing your driving experience with hands-free control over music, navigation, and calls. Equipped with dual Bluetooth, this car stereo allows for smooth audio playback through your car's speakers while enabling voice commands via Siri or Google for safer driving. Its built-in 2.5K dash camera provides high-resolution video recording, and when paired with a backup camera, it offers dual views on its large IPS touchscreen. The stereo's compatibility with Bluetooth music, FM transmission, and aux input ensures you can enjoy your favorite tunes with excellent sound quality. Featuring a 10.26-inch HD IPS touchscreen, the device supports Airplay and Android Cast for mirroring your phone's content with clarity and ease. Installation is straightforward, as it is designed to fit most vehicle models and powered via a simple plug-in to the cigarette lighter, making it a user-friendly choice.